In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Discord chat to your Squarespace website effortlessly. If you've ever wanted to integrate live chat using Discord directly to your site, you're in the right place. Let's dive right in. First, we need to head over to Elfsight Apps. You can find this by simply entering their website in your browser. Once you're there, the next thing you want to do is find the Widgets section. This is where we will begin setting up our Discord chat functionality. After clicking on Widgets, you'll want to type in Discord chat in the search bar. This will help us find the specific widget that we need. Once you type that in and see the list of results, find the all-in-one chat option. This choice provides a comprehensive approach to integrating chat applications like Discord into your site. With the all-in-one chat selected, you'll then want to click on Create Widget for free. This option allows us to start customizing our chat widget before deploying it on our Squarespace site. Once you've clicked this button, you'll be guided to a template selection interface. Here, click on Continue with this template for a streamlined setup. Now it's time to select Discord as your chat option. This process ensures the widget specifically supports Discord functionalities, providing a seamless chatting experience for your website visitors. Once Discord is chosen, click on Add to Website for free. This step is crucial as it gets your widget ready for embedding. The next step is significant. You need to publish your widget. Look for the Publish button and click it. When prompted, select the free option by clicking the Select Under Free option. This maximizes your ability to use this feature without any immediate costs. Now, it's time to get your hands on the embed code. Copy it carefully, as this will be our key tool in integrating the chat function onto your Squarespace site. With your code ready, navigate over to your Squarespace account and locate where you can add block. Once you find the spot you want to place your chat, click on it. Proceed by choosing Embed to make space for your new Discord chat widget. Now, click on the Edit option, which allows you to input code. In the editing area, opt for Code Snippet. This small yet powerful tool lets you embed scripts directly onto your site. In the Embed Data field, paste the embed code you copied earlier. This action integrates the Discord chat widget right into your Squarespace site. With your embed code inserted, the only step left is to click Save. And there you have it. Your Discord chat is now successfully added to your Squarespace site, ready to engage and connect with visitors. Don't forget to test it out to ensure everything runs smoothly.